Hello guys, today I am talking about how to download Java Java JDK. First you need to do type download 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 JDK for Windows. I have already done. Then it will highlight this. Then click the this is the official website, and click the Java SE downloads. Then after this, then click JDK downloads. Click the JDK downloads. I am highlighting this. Then you need to go this site, Windows 64-bit installer, 159 MB. 159 the whole app size is 159 MB. Then click Java JDK, accept this, accept, then download the JDK. I have already done this. There is file. After the installing process very easy. You don't need to do anything. You click next, then install. You after the installation, you need to go program file. It will go this location, local disk C, and click this local disk C program file. Then Java, you can find this way. Type J, Java, then it will go this way. Okay, program file, this way. Click bin, the whole Java applications. There is Java, the main Java file. There is Java file, java.exe, main Java file. There is a run this system.out.println, the class, all classes are, and run this, and Java C mean compile, Java compilation process. Then copy this path for edit the Windows 10 environment variable. Then copy this and go to this search this setting. Go to the setting and go to the system and type environmental. Then go second one, environment variable. You need to type environment variable. You don't need to type whole environment variable. This is come add the system environment variables. Click environment. Click on the environment variable. Then go to the path section. This path. Oh, I have done. So you go to this path, edit. Click on the edit. There is, I have already done. So then okay, if I will do for you one more time. Edit, not edit. New. Click new path. Paste this. This that way. Then okay. then uh, then you run cmd, and you can run cmd command prompt to know the java file works correctly or not. Java version, you need to type java version. There's java version 5.0.1. then you need to install, if you want to better like place better like software to run this software, you need to go Netbeans is greater one. I am instructing you to how to download Netbeans. It is very cool software, and less MB. The highest, the top software run. Uh, it support all things in Java. First, you need to type Netbeans Apache Netbeans Apache download. Then go to the welcome to Apache Netbeans. This page we are landing. Then click download Apache Netbeans. Then click this file. Click download. I am recommended to you click binary Netbeans binary zip file. Click this, and then click this. After the clicking this, it will download. It will start download. You don't need to anything. Then it will after the download, then it will comes like this, and you need to extract this file. Extract file. Then you simple click OK. You don't need to change the setting. I don't do because I have done already. There is a file. Click this file. Click this Netbeans files. Then click this bin file. This is the 64 Netbeans 64. Netbeans 64 stand for Netbeans 64-bit laptop computers. Then click this software. It will take small time, little bit of time mean. Then you need, if you want to run this code, then you can click file, new project. There is lots of option. Java with Gradle, Java with Maven. You if you are beginners, then you click Java application. It will basic like commands like Java logics. I said otherwise. Like logics like command, like if you can run this if command, while loop, string, print. Then if you go deep, you can find the Java FX for gaming. for making a gaming software. It then click the Java application. You don't need to click the Java fx. It's complicated. Click next. You need to name the package. You name the package. I name file system file system, then click finish. Then it will come this folder. It will process complete. You need to run this command, system dot out dot println. I'm typing this code for very basic. Hello world. My English is very bad, please don't mind. Then run this software. Before the run, you can click run and click on build project file system. Build this will do. It will connect the Java before the compilation. The build this will essential to do, because the Java file this that way the folder. It then click the run. Building successful. Very good. There is a whole program you can run. Thank you guys, hope you like these videos. I'm trying my best. I'm sorry for inconvenience. I'm new in the YouTube channel. Thank you guys, thank you so much.